Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we were doing question answers of Shivi poem. So we are going to continue with the same one. Take out those question answers. I'm here going to share PDF with you. So we were discussing question answer of this poem and we were discussing question number 3rd. Why do you think grown-ups say the kind of things mentioned in the poem? First part of the question is that why do you think elders speak like this? Tell me. What is the reason behind? Why do you think grown-ups say the kind of things mentioned in the poem? Why do they speak? See, elders at your home, I think they also speak like this. In everybody's house, elders are worried for their youngsters. They speak like this. In every house, it is happening. Sometimes grandfather, sometimes grandmother, sometimes father, sometimes mother, chachu, whatever. Whosoever is in your house, your teachers also at school, they say you this thing. So why? What is the reason behind that? Tell me. Tell me what is the reason behind that? Okay, that's good. Now, Mitul, you tell me. Your name is Mitul. Okay, you tell me. Keep your mask down. Now speak. Tell me, why do they say like this? मेरा फैन क्यों बंद किया हुआ? Okay. For our improvement. Speak loudly. Bolo. Tell me. Why do they speak like this? आपके घर पे मम्मा पापा आपको डांटते हैं? They give you instructions कि ऐसे नहीं करना, ऐसे नहीं करना. बोलते हैं ना कई बार. Why? What is the reason behind that? For our improvement. Any another reason? Any another reason? Okay, you tell me. Okay. Okay. You tell me. When you speak, na, keep your mask a little bit down because I'm not able to understand what are you saying. I'm going to listen from every offline student, what do they think? And after that, online, those who never raise their hand, those who never participate in my class, I'm going to ask them. Because some students are so passive in my class, they don't participate at all. So I'm going to ask them, yes, you tell me, what is the reason behind that? That why do you think grown-ups say the kind of things mentioned in the poem? What is the reason behind that? Keep your mask down, then speak. Okay. Now from online students, Jasleen, you tell me. Yes, Jasleen, you tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
They scold us to teach us good manners so that when out in public we would be well mannered and we will be well mannered.
Okay. They want that we should become well mannered. That's why. Okay. Now the next part of the question is that is it important that they teach children good manners and how to behave in public? Do you think is it important for them to teach? Yes or no? So there are two parts of the answer. There are two parts of the answer. The first part of the answer, you have to mention the reason why. Okay. So to teach them why these things are told to them, to teach them good manners. Another reason, they are experienced one. They are experienced one. They want their words to be disciplined, having etiquettes. Write down the spellings of etiquettes very, very carefully. Having etiquettes. Another reason, they want their words. Yes. How to behave in society. Yes, they want that their words should behave properly. That how to behave in society. Yes, another reason. Yes, they want their words should become well mannered. Another reason for that. Yes, so they want that they should behave wisely. They should behave wisely. Okay. So this is the reason to teach them good manners. They are, because the elders one are experienced one, they want their words to be disciplined. They should have etiquettes, okay, and they should behave in us. They should know how to behave in a society, and they should behave wisely. Okay. So many students are typing in chat box all the answers, whatever they are typing. These are very much correct one. So with the help of these points, you can frame a long answer. Clear? Am I clear to you? Sometimes, yes, adults become so strict. Let me read your messages in chat box. One of the student has written, but sometimes adults become so strict with children that they lose their innocence and playfulness. Who has written this? Let me read. Janvi. Janvi's parents are there. I think they should read it. She has written, but sometimes adults become so strict with children that they lose their innocence and playfulness. Your innocence and playfulness have been lost, Janvi. Janvi's parents are there. Are they listening? I want to talk to them. Janvi's parents are listening to me. They can also participate in my class in this discussion. That is a very good discussion. Janvi, your parents are there or not? Let me see. Where is Janvi? Janvi, your parents are there? Tell me.
Ma'am, no, I'm sitting in my room alone.
Okay, that's why you are writing such kind of comments for parents. That's why. Do you think that it happens with you, that they have become so strict with you that you have lost your innocence?
Yes, ma'am, sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sometimes. I think I must talk to them regarding this. See, I think there are not such kind of parents. They can, you can say, lost our innocence. Parents are not like that. All parents are lovable. They want, they always think about the benefit. They always think about the welfare of their wards. They want that their ward should behave properly in society. They should have good manners. They should have etiquettes. They should be well mannered. Okay, and they should have a good reputation in the society. Okay, they should have, write down, they should have good reputation in society. So with all the points, you can frame your answer. Clear? Am I clear to you? Now all the points are visible. Now you can note down. With the help of all these points, you can frame your answer. Clear? Am I clear? So now let's read next question. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute to jot down all the points. With the help of these points, you can frame very good answer. Add up your points also in this answer. Now we have next question. Next question is, if you had to make some rules for grown-ups to follow. See, grown-ups always gives you instruction. Okay, we have discussed this thing in detail. So the next question is, if you had to make a list for grown-ups to follow, what would you say? Ah, that's a very good question, isn't it? Now start making a list. If you have to give a list to grown-up that they should follow, and make at least 5 such rules, arrange the lines in a poem. Okay, first of all, write down only lines, not in poem form. Which kind of rules that you want that your adult should follow, your grown-up should follow. Start framing. I'm giving you time. Type in chat box, online students. Let me read your chat box. Okay, Guneet has written, don't give me advice. Very good, Guneet. I should say good to you. Okay, Drishti has written good. Don't be so strict. Okay, let me write. Let me write this. Okay, so the first point she has written, don't be so strict. Okay. Be kind with us. Okay, very good. Be kind with us. Okay, next point. Let us be independent in some ways. Okay. Let us be independent in some ways. Okay. Let us make our own choices. I think that list will never come to an end. They have told you to write down 5 points now, but your list will be too long, isn't it? Okay, let me read. Otherwise, I will get tired after writing a long list. Let me read. Sanya has written some. Lakshya has written. Oh, you are sending me too fast. Even I'm not able to read. Wait. Don't dictate and impose your rules. Oh, whose tone is this? Khushi. Khushi has written in a very harsh tone. Don't dictate and impose your rules. Rehanika has written, let us make our own choices. They all are agree with their elder one. My God. This generation is too dangerous. Shall I give you some instructions? No, I'm afraid. from you. I'm afraid of you. Oh my God, the list is too long. When my eyes are paining after reading a long list, just let me read. Khushi has written, don't dictate and impose your rules. Tone is very harsh. Rihanika, let us make our own choices. Khushi has written, don't dictate and impose your rules. Khushi, those who are writing in chat box, your parents are with them or not? I'll tell them to see this YouTube video. Okay, Khushi has written, don't dictate and impose your rules. Sanya has written, sometimes let us take our decision by ourselves. Oh, tone is very strict. Lakshya has written, don't impose your rules. Shreya has written, they should be lovable and don't be so strict. Now tone is okay, not so harsh. Then Guneet has written, love us and be kind. They always love us, our elder ones. Sometimes when they become strict, that is for our welfare. Okay, Lakshya has written, spend time with us. Lakshya, I know your mother is a teacher. We are too much busy. Sometimes we become so busy. Okay, Lakshya, I'll convey your message to your mother. Spend time with us. Okay. Jalash has written, be kind with us. Spend time with us. Garvit has written, they should spend time with us. So touching. I'm feeling like crying after reading your emotional messages. Some messages are so emotional, but some have very harsh tone that they want to fight with their parents. Okay, Jasleen has written, if we spill some water or tea, they should not scold and beat us. Jasleen, do you get harsh scolding and harsh beating when you spill some water and tea? Jasleen, it means she gets. No problem, Jasleen. You know why they are strict? Because if any guest is in your house and if you spill cold drink and you can say tea in front of them, what will be your impression? Janvi has written, don't stop children from playing. Janvi, during Corona, during this tenure, every parents are worried. They don't want that their children should go out. Okay, Guneet has written, don't give us advice about our face, about our weight and color. Guneet, I don't think so the parents do like this. Okay, one of the student has written, online gaming for half an hour. Janvi has written that there should be online gaming for half an hour. That is strange. Okay. Okay, Guneet is saying relatives give such kind of advice on color, complexion, weight, etc. Let them speak. Your parents are with you, na? They like you, no problem. Okay, Tanya has written, don't compare us with other kids. Tanya, your mother compares you with other kids. Tell me. Your mother compares you. This is a problem with every child. When I do comparison of my daughter with any of the girl, she becomes so annoyed. She becomes so angry, furious with me that why are you making comparison? That I am the best. This is a problem with everyone. Oh, so sweet. That your name is Arshia. Arshia has conveyed a message. Parents of Arshia should listen that she is saying, spend some time with us, take a break from your busy schedule. Your mother is working. Okay, all working. I'm feeling like crying in this class today, I think so. Yes, no problem. I'm feeling like crying. Please don't look at my tears. Okay. So your all messages will be conveyed, I think should be conveyed to your parents. Okay, Tanya has written, don't compare us with other kids. Okay, no problem. So whatever the instructions you are typing in chat box, don't speak like this, just like instruction. Sit with your parents, you give time to them and tell them humbly that we expect this from you. And keep one thing in your mind, that your parents are the real, you can say, asset for you. Nobody can love you as much as your parents can. So whatever they speak only and only for your benefit. Sometimes they are harsh, sometimes they are soft, but that is only because of your welfare. Some parents are very much strict, just like a coconut. They are so hard, but internally they are so soft. But from outer, they are so strict because they think about your future. They want that their ward should be well mannered, should have good etiquettes, should have, you can say, good manners. They should stand in society. They should make their own identity. Okay. So whatever the question in this answer, whatever the instruction you are writing, you discuss about all the things. Okay. You do one thing. I just give you one advice. You make a card. Okay. Not on Father's Day, not on Mother's Day, not on birthday. Make a card. Okay. I know you all are good in handwriting and drawing, etc. Decorate this card. Tell them to unfold it and write down your wish, that dear mom or dear dad, this is my wish, please fulfill it. And definitely you do this experiment and definitely they will be fulfilling your desire. Definitely. Okay. Will you do this? Will you do this? Okay. So all my dear students, your message are so touching, so lovely messages. You are typing in chat box for your parents. I think parents should spare some time and they should go through all the messages. Okay. And definitely you will see a surprise in your life. And you just keep only this thing in your mind, that they are so close to you. Nobody can be so close to you as your parents, and they always think about your benefit, your well-being. Clear? So this was all about the chapter. You do this answer, make 5 instructions, make a list of 5 instructions, 5 advice that you want to convey to your parents. Clear? So do this. Now let's move to next poem that we are going to start. Okay, now there is a poem, Trees. Trees poem. See, in this, before doing this poem, I just want to tell you, you just think about any of the things that you get from trees. And you tell any of the name of a tree that you know. You have heard about that tree. And mention the things that tree give us. Start making a list. Today is a list day. You have to make a lots of list today. Earlier you made a list of that which kind of instruction you want to give to your parents. Now make a list of all the things that you get from trees. Make a list, hurry up. And online students, type in chat box. Offline students, afterwards I'll listening from you. Okay. Wood, medicines, fruits, yes. Oxygen, food. Okay. Rubber, paper, wood, timber, they bring rain. Okay, now think about any of the tree that you know about that. Think about any of the tree that you know. Okay, banyan tree. Any other tree that you know about, you have heard about that? Mango tree, yes. Banana tree, yes. So there are so many kinds of trees you have seen in your life and you have heard about them. Now let's read a beautiful poem Who is going to read this beautiful poem? Let me give a chance to Drishti.
Yes, miss. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swing swings on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make snow shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call. Timber. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall.
Okay, good. Now, trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make trees houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees makes father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. So in this poem, so many benefits are being counted. See, you have made a list of all the benefits, all the materials that you get from trees. Now in this poem, I'm going to explain single line and try to understand. Trees are for birds. How are trees for birds? Tell me. Why? Because birds make their nest. So for birds, trees are basically their home. Because in the branches of trees, there are abundance of plentiful nests where so many birds are residing, they are living. So here, the main benefit that trees are giving to birds, because birds are living in trees. Trees are for children. How are trees for children? Tell me. You all are children. Tell me, how are trees for you? You are saying for playing. Okay. Some children climb on the trees in village areas. You have seen in movies, I think so. Do they enjoy? Yes, this is a very good activity for them. They really enjoy to climb on the trees. There are so many children who really love to sit under a tree in parks, etc. We can see. You also go in parks. You sit under a tree. Okay. You sit under its shade. So you like it or not? Okay. And these trees are also providing you so many things. You also have counted. If you are writing on paper, from where are you getting paper? There are so many playful material, and they are made of wood also. They get from trees. So trees are giving benefits to children. Clear? Trees are to make trees houses in. There are so many trees houses which are made in trees. Okay, these are small cottages like that. Tree houses is small cottages. So people enjoy there, people spend their time there. Okay, so they basically, for in some of the areas there are tree houses where people live. So that is a shelter for them. Trees are to swings on. See there, now summer month is going on. You have seen, I think, in your surrounding that people, they have swings on trees and they enjoy it during, especially during this season in the month of July to August, during Tej. People enjoy the swings. So these swings are made on trees. People really love to swing on that. So trees are providing them swings. Okay, because in the cool shade of trees, when we enjoy the swings, it's really a fun-filled activity. Okay. Trees are for the wind to blow through. See, trees are giving benefits to wind, because when wind blows through trees, it carries oxygen with it. It carries sweet fragrance with it. Okay. So this tree gives benefit to winds. Sometimes wind is so heavy, full of dust, but when it goes through the branches of trees, it becomes full of oxygen. It becomes light in weight. Okay, it becomes fresh because the oxygen purifies the wind. It makes it light in weight. Okay, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. See, when children, they play in parks, they really love to play game hide and seek, isn't it? So sometime when they hide behind a tree, it is a fun-filled activity or not? It is a fun-filled activity. They really love this activity to hide behind a tree. Trees are to have tea parties under. Some people have tea parties. They enjoy their tea parties under the shade of a tree. They sit there, they enjoy their tea, gossiping with their friends. Okay, and that is, this tree is giving them shelter. They really enjoy it thoroughly. Okay, trees are for kites to get caught in. Sometime when you fly kites in the sky and these kites stuck inside the tree, so trees help those kites. Okay, now bache, bell has gone. We will continue the same poem tomorrow. Okay. Okay, students, thank you and have a nice day. I really thoroughly enjoyed your class today. Your 7th B is one of my favorite class. I really enjoy teaching you. Okay, okay, students, thank you. Have a nice day.